Listen students, now an angle 22 and a half. Second one 22 and a half. How do we construct an angle 22 and a half? Okay, for this same, first you should construct which angle? 90 degree. Okay, you should construct 90 degree, and then you should construct bisector of a 90 degree, that is 45 degree, and then you should construct bisector of an angle 45 degree, then we will get 22 and a half. Is it clear? So already you have learned. Listen students, I have drawn an angle 90 degree. Is it clear? So for this you have to construct bisector of an angle 90 degree. Okay, so take the same arc. Okay, now this is B, this is H, sorry, G, G, this is G. Okay, so check more than half. Taking B as center, drawn arc, which is intersecting previously drawn arc. Okay, this is I. So this is 45 degree. This will become 45 degree. We have to construct 22 and a half. So we have to construct one more bisector of an angle 45 degree. Okay, take the same arc. Okay, this is B, G, take this is H, this point. Okay, and then now take more than half. Now taking H as center, drawn arc, this is J. Now can join it. So this will be 22 and a half. You just check it. Point is here students. Okay, so this point, this point, so that is 20, 21, 21 and a half exactly. Okay, this point 22 and a half exactly, it shows 22 and a half. Is it clear students? Good. Then angle 15 degree. For 15 degree, how do you construct? Good. First you should construct 60 degree, an angle 60 degree, and then bisector of an angle 60 degree, that is 30 degree, and then bisector of 30 degree is on angle 50 degree. Okay, so listen students, now I have drawn an angle 60 degree. For this I have to construct 30 degree. So take more than half, bisector of an angle 60 degree. So taking B as center, drawn arc. Okay, now we should join the line, join the points. This is I. Okay, so this will be 30 degree. We need 15 degree. So students listen, take same these arcs. Okay, same these arcs. Then take more than half. Now taking B as center, this point H. Sorry, this point. Okay, you should check with protractor. That point, listen, that point exactly, it shows 15 degree. Is it clear? This way you have to construct. Students listen, this will be 15 degree. Now we have constructed 22 and a half angle, angle 22 and a half degree and angle 15 degree. Is it clear? So students, listen. Now we have to write the steps. Okay, for this how do you write 22 and a half and 22 and a half? So for this, students, listen. Already I have mentioned that in second video, I think, for construct an angle 45 degree. At last you have angle GOA. This is G, this is G. This is B, sorry, this is B, this is G. Okay, angle GOA, that is equal to angle GOI plus angle IOA. Angle GOI plus angle IOA, both are equal because bisector na, so that is take x plus x. Here angle GOA 90 degree, so when 2x is equal to 90, then x is equal to 45 degree. So these angles are equal to 45 degree. Is it clear? Okay, and then OJ is the bisector. OJ is bisector, is the bisector of an angle IOA. So angle IOA that is equal to angle IOJ plus angle JOA. Okay, so both are equal because bisector na, so x plus x. IOA that is equal to, this is equal to IOA, angle IOA. So IOA is equal to 45 degree, so 45 degree. So 2x is equal to 45 degree, so x is equal to 45 and 2, x is equal to 22 and half. This way you have to write. Is it clear? For this you have to write the steps. You just try. How do you write it? Angle C, this is E and a ray E. Okay, so angle EOA that is equal to 60 degree. Okay, and then OI is the bisector of an angle EOA. So how do you write it? Angle EOA that is equal to angle EOI plus angle IOA. So these are equal enough, so x plus x. So this is 60 degree, so 2x is equal to 60, x is equal to 30, that is equal to IOA, angle IOA or angle EOA. Okay, now then angle IOA that is equal to angle IOH plus angle IOH plus angle HOA. Okay, angle HOA, both are equal because bisector na, so x plus x. This angle is 30 degree, so 2x is equal to 30, x is equal to 30 by 2, so x is equal to 15 degree. Is it clear, students? Good. Thank you, students.